us to go home.
Welcome to Finland! Yay! So I've got some friends from Cebu and from Qatar. Actually, they are from Qatar, then Estonia. So yeah, we're gonna go to Suomenlinna, Finland. So we are on our way to the port. And this is how it looks like in Finland, like the market square in Helsinki. And it's in every weekend. So yeah, you can buy any kind of stuff here. Like fish, is it fish? Or vegetable and any handmade stuff. The market is called tori. So market means tori in Finnish, and yeah, you can call it we are in torilla. So for a tourist, if you don't have the application in your phone, then you can buy the ticket in this machine. So there are machines on the side so that we can get into the ship. So it's like a ferry going to Suomenlinna. But for those residents, actually we have already it in our phone, so we can buy it online. Yes, this application in the phone is also what we are using in tram, bus, train, anything that is a public transport. So this is my new friend.
Winter?
No, I don't like winter.
Charot,
I like cold weather.
Oy, kinsay ka nang available dira. Kanyang amiga available po ni.
This is really what I miss because when Filipinos are together, we just keep on laughing and laughing and laughing and having fun and bullying each other and just laughing so hard. So yeah, I'm so happy that I've got them this day.
So, asa ta padong?
We're about to go see the fortress.
Charot!
Yes.
So, mauni siya. Ato tas taas di. Para bibo. Ngara ay ngara. Ngari kay sa sulod man ni bati.
Oh yes, we're all excited to be in Suomenlinna. There are not so many tourists now because it's a raining season. But it's okay, we're still having fun.
Kasi na kwarta dira ka ng kwartahan. Dili pwede ang pobre.
Kaya na daw karang bangga o bank account ba?
Dili pwede ang pobre. Oh, gwapa kayo siya.
Kanang bangga o bank account.
Oh, wala yung kailangan. No, doon na yung requirements. Zay.
So guys, this is Suomenlinna.
What can you say about Finland? Do you think Finland is worth to visit?
Worth the wait.
Worth the wait. Oh, namagod ni siya gihuwat. Namagod ni siya gihuwat. Good.
I think when you're like looking for stability of your life, then you go to Finland, and they got the best health insurance, and also
Let us
Ask.
Harry Styles. Harry Styles.
Yes, we are all running right here because we thought that there is a free coffee. Yeah, so imagine we ask. And then when we asked, she said, this is only for those who volunteer. It's a shame. You know, we want something free.
I can buy if you guys want. No?
just want to ask if it's free.
Yeah, because if it's free, it tastes good. If it's not free, it doesn't taste good.
That's something I need to learn.
Yeah, so we will just continue to our journey. But wait, there's some wedding here. Someone got married. So I need to see.
Ah, ka-cute. Tara, ay gikasal. Oh, so cute. She's pretty. Yeah. So I'm happy because they understand my Onya. Congratulations. Morning, di pang kasal. Bitaw. Jai, pagpakasal na, Jai. Ikay sunod, Jai. Magpakasal. Guys, magpakasal mig balik. Diri nga ang simbahan ay tanawa. Nice kaayo, cute siya. Oops. Look. Woo. But it's raining today.
Winter, summer.
Kani siya, sweeto, kani siya, kanang... Okay, taga, mura na ni siya. Labaw pa ni kaswitong hari.
Uy, tinood yun ang mga Finnish. Kaya where is like that? But if mga Filipino, mga Pinoy, titalaw, prosigido kay mangita ang mga tourist spots. Uy,
So yeah, we continue to walk towards the coffee shop. Supposedly there's a lot of things we can do here in Suomilina, but it's really raining. It's the rain is very strong and we can just walk outside. So we've decided to have some coffee and let the rain just pass by. Then during this time I was bitten by a bee and my hand swelled. It's very, very painful. And I guess the reason is my perfume. Maybe the bee thought that I'm a flower. But it's really very painful.
No, because I don't know why. The beach wants me.
So yeah, fast forward. We talk so much, laugh so hard, and we just let the rain pass by. It's really raining very, very hard, but we still enjoyed it.
So, nag-uwan. It's raining. My gosh. So, we are stuck here. Kaya nag-uwan siya. Are you happy that it's raining today? Are you guys happy? Yeah, the two of them are always hungry. Ever since earlier, they keep on eating.
Yes, and it's sad that we have to go home
Eating is
now.
like for Filipinos.
Yep,
Now
we need
you
to
are
go home
already
ASAP because the rain really is too strong and we cannot go more on different parts of Suomilina. Supposedly there are many things we can do there, but really the weather is not on our side.
How to say hi here? Uy, nag-make you na siya, guys. Siya nagbut-buot.
Harry is bullying me, oh.
Moik you. That's the new Moika. Moi Moi.
What?
Moik you.
My cute.
He said like, Kitos, then Moik you.
Yes, so this is us on our way home instead of staying longer. But yeah, of course, we still did not stop talking. Maybe this talking will be until next year.
Nagligid-ligid ka? Ay, maginana sa kubi, magligid. Uy, kuano oh, ting-uwan. Kana, padong na ni uli. Mauli na ta. Dili kay nagbagyo.
So yeah, we are just spending our time talking and saying hello to our past life. Now we're just maritising to each other like what happened to this and that while waiting because the rain really is too strong. So that's all we can do for today, and maybe next time we can come back and we can go to some other parts of Finland.
So this is what we
But
call...
of course, before anything else, they have to try this candy, the national candy of Finland.
Okay,
They are
so-
very, very proud
Gonna
of it.
be his first time.
like
You can do it.
Kamera.
Go.
Sige, go.
Where? Really? Where? Where?
You like it?
try again?
Where? You like
I'm
it?
mistaken.
That's made in the city of Kovel. Never mind.
What is that?
In the city of Kovel.
Ah. Where?
Why?
Is it different?
No,
Where?
this is different. In Danish is like has like very detergent taste. This one is fine.
Okay, I will try also.
This one is fine.
Picture. But I don't like it.
Sure? On the Denmark, my grabe day.
Good?
Jud madam.
So good.
Ah, madadala gamay.
It's fine. Fine. Just fine.
It's
Not-
okay.
Not in Denmark because
It's okay, but it's not worth to chew. If I'm gonna eat it, I need to directly.
Okay.
It's
That's
like,
a
yeah.
nice excuse.
Namiday?
No.
they just want to be kind.
Yeah.
Pinakataas. Pinakataas.
Wala, kaluwi mama ni mo yung baningan mo ba? Okay, so, because,
How will you give it to me?
yeah, I will give it to him.
It's so good. Love it.
So yeah, we know the reaction of everyone. Junto is very good in drama. He's just acting that it's nice so that we can also eat and partake. But in reality, it really doesn't taste very good. OMG, it's like detergent.
And hiking.
Yeah. Asking. Oh.
Yeah, so this time they are going to go home to Estonia.
Come on.
Bye for now. Till next time, guys.
Sana mo na iway klaro ang videographer.
Ang dumami, tagalog balik-balik si Dimitri. Para mag-time-lapse ka.
Makuhan na siya, muligid na siya sa tayo.
Siya mo, balik.
Thank you, bro.
Bye.
Dali na kayo na siya mabalik. Tingnan, no?
See you again.
Bye, Zong. Bye, Zong.
Coming. Take care and see you next time. Bye for now.